Welcome back to my channel! It's another day, it's another version of my kitchen addiction, and today's recipe is called Chicken Croquettes.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ang chicken croquettes pala comes from different shapes and different styles according to what a chef or a cook could ever imagine of. And I'll give you some brief history of this dish. This ragu field dish was regarded as a French delicacy. So ragu means a French term for highly seasoned dish with small pieces of meat or chicken stewed in vegetables. So it was first described in a recipe from 1691 by the chef of the French King Louis XIV, using ingredients such as truffles, sweetbreads, and cream cheese. But in the year 1800s onwards, it became a way to use leftover stewed meat. So ito pala yung dish na ginagawa nila kapag maraming mga leftover na mga meat or chicken, tas parang ine-elevate nila yung dish na maging isang dish ulit para ma-serve ulit sa mesa. And then, nagpil na ako ng potatoes, 4 potatoes para pakuluan natin. Para siya yung actually main ingredient sa ating chicken croquette. Siya yung mag-serve na binder sa ating chicken croquette sa mamaya. So, yung water, inilagyan ko lang ng kaunting salt tsaka oil para mag-absorb yung lasa ng salt sa ating potato para pag minash na natin siya mamaya at ilagay sa ating chicken croquette, medyo may lasa na siya. Ayan. So, habang nagbo-boil tayo ng ating potato, magbigay ulit tayo ng kaalaman about sa ating recipe ngayong araw. So, what is the meaning of chicken croquettes? Yun, ano daw ibig sabihin ng chicken croquettes? Chicken croquettes are small, often rounded mass consisting usually minced meat or chicken, fish, or vegetable coated with egg and breadcrumbs and deep fried. Ay matutunghan nyo yan mamaya sa aking recipe kung paano siya gagawin at napaka-helpful po niyan. Pwede po natin siyang panegosyo pag alam na natin yung technique kung paano siya gawin. And then, who created the croquettes? Well, there are different theories about it. Most of the people believed that it was Antonin Carême, also known as the king of chef and the chef of the kings, who first served potato croquettes in an extravagant royal banquet in 1817. So, si Antonin Carême pala yun, pinaka-first na chef na nag-serve nito during 1817 habang may malaking pagtitipon sa isang kaharian. And then, where did these chicken croquettes originate? Saan kaya nanggaling yung chicken croquettes na ito? Auguste Escoffier, a French culinary artist, created the modern form of these bundles of joy in France in 1898. So, sa France talaga siya nag-originate noong 1898. At tsaka inelevate lang ni Auguste Escoffier yung recipe. And then he was the founder of this classic dish. And Phileas Gilbert is another widely known chef who was involved in creating and writing down the original recipe. So, dalawa pala sila yung nagtulungan talaga. Bali, inelevate nila yung recipe, tapos sinulat nung isa pang chef para maging legal na siya na recipe na nag-circulate sa buong mundo. So, ayan na, malabot yung ating potato, minash ko na siya para mag-start na tayo sa paggawa ng ating chicken croquette. Tapos, yung ating chicken, tender na pala siya kanina, tapos, kinuha na, yung ating chicken, i-debone natin siya, kunin natin yung pinakamit niya, and then, set aside natin, tsaka yung pinaka-bones niya, linisin din natin at i-set aside para siya yung magiging magsi-serve na handle mamaya sa ating chicken croquettes. Ayan. Actually, marami yung mga side dishes, partners ng chicken croquettes kapag sinerve na natin siya. Pwede natin siyang i-serve together with mashed potato, chicken gravy, or cheesy scallop potatoes, buttered egg noodles, southern green beans, fresh fries, coleslaw, and garden salad. Ayan ngayon. Now, let's mix our chicken croquette. Ingredients. Starting with chicken meat, and then potatoes, mashed potatoes, and then the powdered ingredients. Ayan, minix ko na lahat. And then, add the minced onion and chopped green onion. Ayan, mix-mix lang natin lahat yan. And then, magdagdag tayo ng isang kutsarang oil mamaya. Pero bago natin dagdag yan, i-mix muna natin na maigi yung ating ingredients hanggang sa ma-mash mag-incorporate ng mabuti. Tas yung mga powdered ingredients ma-mix ng mabuti sa ating ingredients. Ayan. Tsaka, pwede tayong gumamit ng gloves para mas malinis yung ating pagkagawa na ganitong recipe kasi kailangan talaga kamay yung gamitin natin dito. Yung egg pala, naglagay pala ako ng egg white lang kasi yung egg yellow, i-reserve natin yan mamaya pag nag-dip na tayo ng ating chicken croquette. Pag dinip na natin at i-dip natin sa ating breadcrumbs. Ayan, egg white. Isang egg white, isapat na. At saka, kasi yung potato, siya yung magsiserve na molder sa ating chicken. Basta may potato, kakaapit na yun lahat ng ingredients dyan. Then, ayan, lagay ko na yung 1 cup ng grated mozzarella cheese na sinave ko. At siya yung magsiserve na mamaya pag na-prito na yan siya. Parang nag-web yan mamaya kasi yung kahit anong fried na food, pag nilagyan mo talaga ng cheese, sobrang sarap niya, guys. Ayan. Ayan, na-mold ko na siya. Paisa-isa lang tayo ng pag-mold. And then, tignan na lang natin yung process until maubos natin lahat sa pag-mold yung ating chicken croquette. Pagkatapos ko i-mold lahat, pwede na siya nating i-dip sa yung dalawang itlog na beat ko. Nilagyan ko siya ng kaunting water para dumami siya. Hindi naman, okay lang naman yun kahit mag-mix ka ng kaunting water. And then, dinip ko siya sa breadcrumbs. Alam niyo guys, if you have available panko breadcrumbs, mas masarap siya. At mas crispy yung dating niya. But this time, we only have these breadcrumbs available. So, I don't have any other choice but to use the available ingredients that I have here now. So, i-dip ka lang natin at i-coat lahat ng buod natin na chicken croquettes hanggang sa matapos siya. At nagpakulo na rin ako ng oil. And then, take note guys, yung oil natin, wag masyadong mainit, okay? Kasi pag masyado siyang mainit, masusunog yung ating chicken croquette. Parang yung masyashock ba siya sa init ng oil, ang kalalabasan po niyan, yung sa labas niya is dark brown na, and then sa loob, medyo hilaw pa siya. So, it's very important to cook your chicken croquette in a low heat only. At saka mga 15 minutes lang na pag-fry or 10 minutes, luto na yan siya guys. Because, you know, the ingredients, all the ingredients are already cooked inside. So, kaunting prito lang yan, luto na yan siya. Habang tayo napiprito ng ating chicken, sa mga hindi pa pala nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, sana i-subscribe natin po. Click the subscribe button, comment, like, at kung pwedeng ninyong i-share yung aking content, malaking pasasalamat ko na po sa inyo yan. At sana may natutunan kayo ngayong araw. Actually guys, pwede siyang pangnegosyo guys. Yan, pag alam niyo na yung technique kung paano gawin yan, pwede niyo ipanegosyo yan. Ayan. Ayan, luto na ang ating chicken croquette. Ayan. Yes! Sobrang yummy niya guys. You can serve it with Thai chili, sweet chili sauce. And then sana may natutunan kayo sa ating luto ngayong araw, sa ating recipe ngayong araw. Thank you so much for watching!